Thank you so much for coming tonight to support our cause for the town of Monsing, Laos. Your presence here means the world to us. A very special thank you to Sang and Jenny for providing this beautiful restaurant and space. This event would not have been possible without your kindness and support. We want to give a huge shout out to Joe, Ace, Carol, and Kid, who unfortunately couldn't be here tonight. Their knowledge, experience, and unwavering support have guided Koi and I through every step of this journey. And of course, thank you to the band for making tonight an even more special event. The love and support we've received from the community has been overwhelming in the best way. Everyone has welcomed us with open arms, and we're so grateful. Thank you for being here tonight. Together we're making a real difference for the people of Monsing. Thank you so much for being here tonight.
Hello and good evening, Reading. How are you all doing tonight? So my name is Koi. I'm one of the organizers of tonight's fundraiser and a proud member of Team Laos. It's an honor to be here this evening with you all. Thank you so much for being here. Your presence tonight means more than you know. Not just to me or to our team, but to the children of Rantan Village. It's a rural village in Laos that many of us men call home. If you follow me on social media or know me personally, you've probably seen some of my international humanitarian work I've been involved in. I've had the privilege of serving in Cambodia, Nepal, Uganda, Africa, and Laos. And of all these experiences, it's my time in Laos that has left the deepest impression on my heart. That's why tonight matters so much. We're here to raise funds to improve conditions at a local school in Padantan village. Right now, the schoolyard is unpaved and becomes thick with mud when it rains. The classrooms don't have proper ventilation, and when that mud dries, it turns into dust. Like it's practically indoors, that dust hangs in the air and becomes serious health hazard. Our volunteers experience this firsthand.
Open vote in, so you guys are more than welcome to come up and dance. Vote by the way, we get the full year and run to all.
Come on, you guys, open vote in. anh nhé yêu